If you're looking to send money from the US to India through Western Union, one of the most common queries is, what is the Western Union exchange rate for US dollar to Indian rupee? You know, this exchange rate plays a crucial role in determining how much your recipient in India will actually receive after currency conversion. So what is the Western Union USD to INR exchange rate? Well, the Western Union US dollar to Indian rupee exchange rate is the rate at which your USD will be converted into INR during the money transfer. However, unlike the live forex market rates shown on platforms like Exi.com or Investing.com, Western Union sets its own rate. And this rate typically includes a margin or markup over the mid-market rate. For example, if the mid-market rate is $1 equals 83.20 Indian rupees, Western Union may offer something like $1 equals 81.50 Indian rupees. This difference, well, it's how they make a part of their profit, in addition to any applicable transfer fees. So, to find out the current US dollar to Indian rupee exchange rate on Western Union, here's what you need to do. First, visit the official Western Union currency converter. Then, select USD as the sending currency and INR as the receiving currency. Once you've done that, check the rate being offered and, of course, the estimated amount the receiver will get. It's pretty straightforward, right? Now, here's the thing. It's really important to compare this rate with the mid-market rate, for better clarity. You can easily check the live forex rates on platforms like Google Currency Converter or Yahoo Finance under the USD INR section. These tools can give you a clear picture of where the rates stand. Alright, here are some tips to ensure your transfers are cost-effective. First, always compare rates. Don't just stick to one provider. For instance, compare Western Union's rate with other services like Wise, Remitly, or Zoom. Next, keep an eye out for offers. Western Union, for example, often has promotions or better rates for first-time users. And lastly, be mindful of hidden charges. Even if the transfer fee seems low, a poor exchange rate can end up costing you more than you realize. So, yeah, a little extra effort can go a long way. To wrap it up, understanding the Western Union exchange rate for US dollar to Indian rupee can really help you make smarter and more cost-effective transfers. Always stay updated and you'll be able to snag the best deal for your money. Simple as that.